Welcome to Lisha's Guide to Proper Installation of Switch Plates. Today we are going to show you how to ensure the longevity and safety for your electrical installations by using the correct screws provided with your switch plates. Our switch plates come with specially designed screws that ensure a secure fit and prevent any loosening over time. Switch plates are not just functional, they also add a touch of style to living spaces. However, using the wrong screws and equipment can cause damage and lead to problems down the line. Let's take a look at the difference between the screws provided by Lisha and other generic screws you might consider using along with equipment to be used. Using other screws and drill machine not only damages the plate but can also compromise the electrical connections behind it. This can be a safety hazard. When you use the right screws with screwdriver, your switch plate will sit properly against the wall. And there you have it, a securely installed switch plate that adds both beauty and safety. Thank you for choosing Lisha for all your electrical needs. Stay safe and happy styling.